Ooh, so you see this? You know what that means? We about to get some work done today on this. Oh yeah, it's comeback season for real this year. Bow. This can only mean one thing. This can only mean one thing. I finally got it. Nice little mini unboxing because I already did the original unboxing. Boom. So this is the solid joint steering shaft. It's replaced the old rag joint that I pulled out about almost a year ago. It was, yeah, like the beginning of the summer. It was either summer of 2022. Nah, it was summer of 2022. That's crazy. So, boom, here it is. So, this piece was holding me up from putting on the hot side piping of the turbo kit, because in order for me to get to, you can't see it, but it's right there, or yep, you can see it right there. That's the end piece that goes to the steering rack, and then up there, so where I just pointed at, that's gonna go in here. So I'm gonna loosen all this up, find out what's the bolts for everything, and then I think I need to find the bolt and shit for this. I don't think I was smart enough to put it back over here. Yeah, there's nothing there. So well, actually no, so I need to, because I just took a quick look at it. So what I need to do is loosen this up, because that's going to feed to the top. This is going to feed to the steering rack, because I just saw that this same piece is sticking out. Oh no, I forgot, never mind, it slides in. So that it slides in. Okay, I was right. So I need to find a nut and bolt for that to work. But yeah, the solid steering shaft is going to help improve response. I'm going to be ordering this week the 130 amp alternator for the electric fans. I found a electric fan and radiator set up together on eBay for pretty cheap. I'm going to get new coolant hoses off eBay, pretty cheap, and then from there, just gonna make sure that everything is straight, wires are out the way. I found a intercooler bracket mount, so I don't gotta make my own. They already have it made for the fox bodies with a turbo setup. And then I'm just gonna try my best to reuse parts like the throttle body spacer, do all the EGR delete shit stuff, and then I just want the car started. Then yeah, new wires, spark plugs, a new ignition coil, battery, you know, things of that nature. But for now, I just need to get the engine bay all together. And then what I'm also definitely gonna do is probably, I know I was gonna try to use these quick disconnects off the turbo and the wastegate, whatever. I'm probably gonna end up using the traditional rubber hoses. Yeah, because I tried. Maybe for the blow-off valve, I'll use the quick disconnect with the I gotta get the boost tree back mounted up there. But yeah, one thing at a time, little by little. So let me go ahead and get the new steering shaft on there. So now, all I gotta do is mount the, put the steering rack, mount it back up to the chassis, which is something I completely don't remember how to freaking do, because it's been a year and some change since I started that mess. So I'm just gonna take a quick break, clean up a little bit, and make sure I bagged up the right parts so I can put this back together. But y'all can see the solid steering shaft is on there. She looks beautiful. It is such a solid piece. Oh, excuse me. It looks so awesome in there. So I don't need to worry about alignment issues because my steering wheel is locked. So like it only turns but so much. So alignment issues, or in terms of it actually being straight or not, I don't need to worry about. So just to give y'all a better look of the new steering shaft. Boom, this shit is clean. And then all I'm doing right now is the 2 steering shaft bolts right there, that one, and then that one I gotta tighten up. I got the other one tightened up. I'm just waiting on my my impact gun battery to charge back up, and then I'm pretty much done. Just like that, it is all done. Last bolt got tightened down. I rerouted the oil line real quick. 2 zip ties on the stabilizer. Good to go. So now I'm just gonna have fun now. Catch y'all on the next one. Real quick update before my camera really dies. All the hot side piping for the turbo is officially on and good to go. We are almost there. We are 70 to 75% there.